Philippine Air Force will receive 2 Erieye AEW&Cs for free in a deal of 14 JAS 39 Gripens. The Philippine Air Force is set to select Saab's JAS 39 Gripen and 10 single-seat JAS 39C and 4 two-seat JAS 39D Gripen fighters updated to the MS-20 Plus configuration. It is reported that the Philippine Air Force will receive 2 Erieye AEW&C units for free in the purchase package of 14 JAS 39 Gripen units. Due to the country acquiring the Gripen in its Gripen Thailand deal with Saab, it acquired 12 JAS 39 Gripen CD delivered in 2 batches and a Saab 340 Erieye airborne early warning and control aircraft for free in the agreement. AEW&CS is part of the Philippine Air Force acquisition to enable more of its air defense capabilities. Is it good to have such aircraft that we can have in a deal from acquiring JAS 39 Gripen like what Thailand did? Why always not consider the possibility? Thailand already did it before. Is it not easy for the Philippine government to follow suit? Would it be nice to hit 2 birds with 1 stone in this Gripen deal? Having both multi-role fighters and AEW&CS in just one deal? What more if the Philippine Air Force can have brand new air defense fighters including additional pre-loved aircraft, other items essential for air defense, and that commitment for technical support of those Gripens. Having AEW&CS will also provide the needed flexibility the Philippine Air Force needs in a future conflict. As modern combat dictates, fixed sights are fixed targets too. Sad to say, to our main radar bases, at the outset of any conflict, they will be the first target to be hit as the enemy will try its best to blind the Philippine Air Force. Having those mobile ground radar sites is good. Unfortunately, their movement is affected on any provided infrastructures like roads and bridges, and they can't be online for a long period of time as radar is a double-edged sword. You can see the enemy, but the enemy can see you as well. The Saab 340 AEW is a Swedish airborne early warning and control AEW&C aircraft. A variant of the Saab 340 aircraft is designated S-100B Argus by the Swedish Air Force. The Saab 340 has a non-movable PS-890 AESA radar made with the Erieye system, which offers lower drag with a 120-degree zone of scan on either side of the airframe. The mounted radar is capable of tracking ships, planes, and missiles up to 300 to 400 kilometers while at an altitude of 20,000 feet. Different configurations of Saab's Erieye AEW&C system have been sold to 9 countries, making it one of the most widely used airborne surveillance systems in the world. Saab is a leading defense and security company with an enduring mission: to help nations keep their people and society safe. Empowered by its 19,000 talented people, Saab constantly pushes the boundaries of technology to create a safer, more sustainable, and more equitable world. Saab designs, manufactures and maintains advanced systems in aeronautics, weapons, command and control, sensors, and underwater systems. Saab is headquartered in Sweden. It has major operations all over the world and is part of the domestic defense capabilities of several nations.